Go.
Wait, Jesus, one at the bottom.
Why did you put so many in there? Just put the whole
What'd you
container.
do? Oh, watch.
Oh my god. Josh!
Oh,
what's he going crazy? He ate that one.
No.
This one ate one too.
Can't really see the bees. Zoom up on the bee. How do you zoom? Like that?
Yeah.
Well, not like that, no. You'll be able to see the frog jump and get it.
Can they jump all the way up there and get it?
Yeah, he can jump easy.
We're watching the frogs eat the bees. Yeah. Mm-hmm. They've already eaten.
No, he wants to throw it. Just pull it in
Got it. You should have seen the frog jump off the thing.
So well.
I
No,
did.
we got it. First try. I mean, they're really accurate.
Where'd the other bee go?
right there.
It's going crazy.
No, I can't find it. He's just gonna turn around really fast. Oh, so you just go from one side. Oh, that'd be a bad idea to change the screen.
It's a lot of poison.
Did
Poison.
did the frog already eat the worm? I mean the turtle?
No.
Give it to him. Just put it over his head. Put it in the water. It's gotta touch the water. Have it touch the water. It has to touch the water. There. Hold on. Get on. Get on. Get on. See how he ripped it apart? Where's the other one, Mike?
Big fish.
The fish already ate it?
Yeah. Dude.
Where's the meat? Oh, there's another one. Here, it's on the guy's face. It's on his eye. You just oh my god. He didn't eat it. No, it's so. It's going